Hey, what's going on, guys? TK checking in here. So recently, me and my friend Darry Bird, Darry Bird, just went snowboarding, and we took the GoPro and we decided that we would see if it was funny to, let you guys watch us fall for a little bit. All right, enjoy.
I've been watching for a while like your style, and I'm thinking you and me can get connected right now.
Ooh, boy, I hear that holla if you real, and I'ma need a minute to see how I'm gon' feel.
Alright, everybody, this is Inside the Bird's Nest with Darry Bird and Tyler Graham. We're chilling. Darry's, oh shit, where did you even get that? Darry's putting on the Tom gear. Oh, the Dylan gear. Oh, god damn.
Tank.
Dude, the tank himself. So y'all are gonna be in the word of the bird, essentially.
I'll never get to my speaker. Yeah, this is what's going on underneath the bird cam. This is my fourth time snowboarding. I was doing really good until you guys joined us.
Really well.
No, I was doing good. I've been drinking a lot. There's no way I could possibly. No way I could be doing well right now. If I was doing well right now, everyone else would have a chance. Sober people would give up if I was doing well. Alright, let's go.
All right, there you go.
I'm gonna, just so you know, once I click this helmet in, it's a race to that lift on that trail. I'm running right now through the woods and putting your board on. Ready, take up. Where's my glove? Oh, I almost fucking went down backwards. Oh, I cannot run. Dude, yo. Tyler. Yo, dude. Yo. It's over. It's over. The bird's called a blowout. That was still way faster than me wiggling. You like that? Dylan shirt +1. Already getting love. Classic Darry move here. Gotta link the gloves together. Oh, we got a snowstorm. The nest is live. Oh shit, my hands. Oh no. Woo, we're gonna make it. Let's put the goggles down. Oh, bird mode. Bird mode indeed. Tucking the chin. Can't hurt us. Let's go. Woo. We're a little tune. There's a little music. You think anyone's ready for that? Oh, the popping with my phone is unzipped. What do you guys want to listen to? A little Billy Joel? currently have my board on backwards. I like my setup to have the left foot in the back. I don't know, I'm feeling a little goofy today. Bird commentary over. Don't want Tyler to know this happened until he saw the tape. Birdcast out.
Before I knew what was happening, I was like the first person on line. Like, my bad.
Yo, the next step after today is to go to a different mountain, both of us on snowboards, and just be like in a position that I don't know if I can get down right now on this with this board attached to me. Really? This looks unreal. I'm not even thinking about getting up till I have some type of song on that gives me skills I don't have. Alright, reset as if we're gonna edit the tape so that this is before over there. Nice. I got this. This is for Jackie Chan, right? That's what I said? Was that a year ago? First rule of the bird's nest. Guests always sit on the left.
Oh, what's happening?
So, here we are
Bird nest.
on the bird nest. We're on a different chairlift now. We're on the east chair. By east, I mean that literally was the chair I think we were on earlier.
So as the guest on the bird's nest, I came with party favors.
Yeah, well, as the host of the bird's nest, there's always a ceremonial ritual. I've had this since before the first ride in my pocket. We need this right now. There's this huge Red Bull right here, dude. This is big. The ski patrol hates me.
Me?
Me.
Why?
I think I'm high. So I discovered that for me, it is better left foot in the back. It's scarier, but I have the better. That's a Johnny Tsunami. I feel like Johnny Tsunami when the left foot's in the back. Result is so far that this interview will never be seen. It will be erased. This chairlift is far too short and uneventful. After the initial snowstorm. Oh, we got a snowstorm! We got a snowstorm! The initial intro video. Alright, bird cam coming up. We're doing the fall cam. I'm gonna stay right behind TKG. Oh, you gotta get off. Yes. I know. Thank you. Sorry about that, dude. It's all good, dude. My bad. Thank you very much.
That's what this video is about, so check it out and comment and make sure to subscribe, and make sure, if you haven't, to follow us on Twitter and on Instagram at Chapter 5 Films. That's Chapter V Films.